Hello guys, and welcome to another video on Python. Today we're going to be looking at how to create a new project on Python. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by pressing the new project button, giving our project a name. I'm just going to write test. You could give it whatever name. So over here you might have this box check mark where it says create a main.py. I'm just going to uncheck that just for getting the practice of creating our own py file. So we're going to create this. And just gonna wait for it to load, and once it does you'll see the screen. So what we want to do is we gave our project a name, test. So we're gonna see the file with the project name, and we're gonna right click it. We're gonna click new and Python file. So we're gonna give this a name, hello world should do. Center. Over here, this is where we can actually write our Python code. In here we're gonna say print, and what this does is it's gonna print whatever we write inside of here. So first we gotta give it some either double quotes or single quotes, both work in Python, and write our like whatever we want inside of here. So I'm just gonna write hello world. So then what I can do is I can run this. Either go to the run tab and click run, and it will run and print out hello world. Or what we can also do is press Alt Shift and F10, which will do the exact same thing. So that will be all for today's video. So make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time.